everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a Q&A, and I also have a little giveaway for you guys as well. So I haven't done a Q&A in what feels like forever, so I thought today I would answer some of your questions, and I also thought this would be the perfect time to also do a little giveaway for you, as recently I teamed up with a fantastic balloon company and they've been really kind and letting 3 of you guys actually win your own set of birthday balloons. So if you want to find out how you can win, just keep on watching. Say that please ignore how awful my hair looks. I'd been out in the rain probably about 10 minutes prior to filming this and I did not realise how frizzy it's gone. Like, you can still see it now, it's very frizzy. So just ignore like my appearance and enjoy the video. So I recently collaborated with the seller on Amazon called Life Story Storefront, and they very kindly sent me some happy birthday balloons, which I will overlay a clip of now. So if you want to win your own set of balloons, you have to do 3 things. The first thing is you must be subscribed to this channel, as otherwise you're not going to win. The second thing you need to do is comment down below when your birthday is. And the third thing you need to do is retweet a tweet that I'm going to put on Twitter, or you can repost a picture which will be on Instagram. So if you've got either of those things, you can just do it on one of those platforms, and that is literally all you have to do. The giveaway is going to be open for 1 week, so it will shut next Sunday, which is the 18th of March. So you've got a week to enter, so just make sure within that week you've done all 3 of those things and then you are entered into the giveaway. So with that now said and done, I'm going to move on to the Q&A, as I actually got a load of questions over on Instagram. So if you ever want to be involved in a Q&A, then definitely follow me on Instagram, as that is the place I usually go to. My account is Floral.Sophia. So the first question is, how are you so organised? So I think for me, I hate things being messy. Like, my room is always very tidy, and I think if you stay organised, you stay on top of things a lot more. So for me, I stay organised by like putting things into folders, making to-do lists, planning out. Like, I'm a big believer in planning, as then I'm always much more organised, like I know what's actually going on. The next question is, what is your subscriber goal by the end of the year? I don't actually set myself goals like that, I guess. Last year my subscriber goal was 20,000 and I actually hit that last August, which was crazy. And I think at the moment my goal is to get to 25,000, which we are super close to. We're only like just under 200 away, which is crazy. But yeah, I don't have like a goal set for the year, as I'm just going to see where the year takes me. This next question is actually from Laura, and she asks, favourite videos you've watched recently or favourite YouTubers? I'm going to go with YouTubers that probably aren't talked about enough. So okay, so in terms of YouTubers, I obviously love Rhiannon, Laura, Evie, Lydia, and Jada J, You've Been It. Like, I really like those kind of videos, but I don't really have like a #1 favourite YouTuber. I kind of just watch whatever pops up, I guess. Does anyone else do that? Like, whatever comes up, that's what I'll watch, as I'm really bad at keeping up to date with my subscriptions because I'm so busy all the time. But yeah, I really enjoy watching like occasionally like study videos as well as vlogs. I'm a really big fan of vlogs. I really like Emily Cannon's at the moment, all her Disney ones. But yeah, I don't really have like a favourite YouTuber. Next question is, what TV shows have you been watching at the moment? So I've been watching Riverdale. It's obviously that came back on the 7th or 8th really, which was really good after a 3-week break. I've also just finished watching the whole Strike series. So I started watching The Career of Evil when it actually came on TV, which was a couple of weeks ago, and I hadn't actually realised these have been going on since last year, so I went back and watched The Cookies Calling and Silkworm, and I'm obsessed with that TV series. Like, that's a TV series I could watch like 3 times in a row and just never be bored of it. So it's kind of what I've been watching right now. I've just been like re-watching it. I haven't really been watching many TV shows at the moment. I was watching Marcella as well, which is obviously on TV right now, but that's kind of like a weekly thing. But yeah, I haven't had a chance to kind of just binge watch a show, which is really annoying. But when the summer comes, I have like a list of TV shows that I want to re-watch. So like, I want to re-watch Peaky Blinders, Pretty Little Liars, Gossip Girl, I've really liked watching Line of Duty. I watched that quite recently. But the trouble is, all my favourite TV shows, like Line of Duty, Peaky Blinders, Strike, they're not coming back to like next year, which is really annoying because I find these shows so late and then they're like, oh yeah, filming starts again next year, and it's like, oh really? The next question is, what is your favourite non-social media app on your phone? This is such a good question. I am obsessed with Candy Crush right now. When the whole thing came out, I was like, nah, this is such a boring game. Recently, I'm like obsessed with Candy Crush, so it's not on my phone, it's on my iPad. But I love that. I also love Sandbox. That is so good. If you're in like a situation where you're just really bored, it's basically like a colour by number app. I really like it. It's quite therapeutic as well. It really helps to relax me. My third favourite app that isn't social media is Be Focused. I've talked about this before, but it's an app that basically has set time intervals and you put your to-do list in and then it shows you how much time you spend during the week, and it just makes me really productive as well. Okay, so my card turned out to be full, so I've just deleted a load of stuff, so sorry if the positioning has changed. But the next question is, have you started properly revising for your GCSEs? So what I have been doing is, I actually have mocks in a couple of weeks, so I've kind of been doing revision for that. But for me, what I've been doing is making all the resources, so like my mind maps, my flashcards, and doing things like that. And that's what I've been doing right now since about February half term. So that's what I've been doing, but I haven't like started learning everything, as most things I do actually know. Like geography, I know a lot of my stuff, media is the same, but like things like learning proper information, that's what I'm going to be doing it over the next few weeks, especially over Easter. There's about 6 weeks or something after that, and that's my time to really learn everything off by heart, be really cool about it all. But I've kind of just been making a lot of revision resources. The last question I'm going to answer is, what is the one thing you're most excited for this year? I am so excited to finish school and to have a 10-week summer holiday and then go and start at a brand new college. So my school does have a sixth form, but I did not want to stay there. If you want like a whole video on the difference between like a sixth form at a school and then like a sixth form college that's just like year 12 and 13, I'd be really happy to do that and explain my reasons behind why I don't want to stay. But yeah, I'm really excited to move on from there and go meet a whole load of new people, make some new friends, and just have like a different kind of lifestyle. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give a massive thumbs up, and if you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget, if you haven't already, go and enter the giveaway. All the details will be in the description box below, like how to enter, the rules, also how I'm going to contact you, so please read all that down below, and also the post or the tweet that needs to be shared, that will all be linked down below as well, so it's really easy for you to do so. You've got 1 week. This closes at 10 AM on the 18th of March, so good luck, and yeah, I will see you all next weekend for a study with me. Bye!